Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by measuring your wrist carefully with a tape measure or ruler. Note the measurement in millimeters or inches for precise adjustments. Lay the Apple Watch face down on a soft cloth to avoid scratches. Gather tools now: a spring bar tool, small hammer, and one 5mm pin pusher. Inspect the metal strap for removable links and tiny arrows on the inside. Mark the links to remove starting from the clasp on both sides evenly. Double-check that you will remove equal links for proper centering. Align the pin pusher with an arrow on the link and push gently. Tap the pusher lightly with a small hammer until the pin moves out partially. Pull the pin fully using tweezers or needle nose pliers and separate the link carefully. Store each pin and collar in a small tray to avoid loss. When reassembling, align the link holes and insert the pin from the opposite direction. Tap the pin gently until it sits flush and the joint moves smoothly. Fasten the watch and try it on to check the fit and comfort. Aim for 1-finger clearance between the band and wrist for proper circulation. If it feels tight or loose, add or remove a single link and retest the fit. Use a ruler to note changes of 3-5mm or more before finalizing. Once satisfied, polish the metal strap with a microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints. Finally, check the clasp security and wear the watch confidently throughout your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.